Hey guys, welcome back to the channel after a very long time. So today I'm gonna unbox something special. This is LEGO Minifigures Series 28, which was released in January this year, 2026. So with this one, I'm gonna open up this special item as well. This is Kmart 5-level minifigure display case. I bought that for just $49 from Kmart Australia. And the best thing is it comes with LED light strips as well. If you're watching my YouTube channel for a long time, you know that I love minifigures and I love collecting all the Legos stuff. But I didn't have a proper place to display my minifigures before. So I was just collecting them, storing it, Ziploc bags. And just keeping them away. So I thought, why not buying these stuff and display my minifigures. So when I see them all the time, so I will get different ideas to my head, inside my head for Lego minifigure photography. Without seeing the minifigures all the time, I don't know, ideas does not come to my mind straight away. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna unbox these ones. Hopefully I'll get the full set with these cardboard box inside the cardboard boxes, and I'm gonna place them in this one. And also I'm planning to unbox previous minifigure series as well. This is 27, 26, 25 up to all the way, I don't know, we'll see. Alright, enough chit chat, let's open up these ones. Alright guys, so this is the leaflet or the minifigure list provided with the box. So it has 12 minifigures as usual. So this time it had like 6 different themes, like Go on Safari, Pet Lovers Unit, Cozy and Cute Adventure, Bird of a Feather, Underwater Fun, and Down by the Riverside. That's how they have divided this one. So each theme got 2 minifigures each. That's cool. Lego has tried to cover all the aspects of animal adventures, animal minifigures. We got parrot costume, lion costume, what else, frog costume, crocodile costume, dog costume, goldfish costume. Fantastic. Hey, cute bunny costume, dolphin costume. What else we got? Peacock costume, koala costume, and monkey costume. That's fantastic. And as usual, here's the instruction how to do that. I don't believe we need that anymore, because if you're a collector, you know how to fix these ones, unless it's a little bit tricky. Alright, let's do this one. Alright, so this is the bunny costume one. It's pretty cool. Comes with an Easter egg and a bucket, and fantastic costume. One ear just downwards, another one is straight up. Fantastic. Alright, that's done too. So this is the dinosaur costume. That's a fantastic minifigure. It comes with this rubber ducky and your floaty for the swimming. Wow, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I like this headpiece, with the spikies. Wow, that's a cool one. Alright, so third one is goldfish costume. It's a pretty cool one. It comes with some fish food bottle as well, and very nice tail and the fin. Wow, this is cool, huh? I like this golden color. They try to get the golden color with some sparkly golden bits on the costume. Very nice. All right. Alright, next one is the fluffy cat costume. Very nice one. It comes with a tail piece as well, separate tail piece. A rubbery one. Oh, what a pretty one. All right, next one is peacock costume. Wow, what a fantastic minifigure is that! I love the feathers at the back. That's a separate piece, and it's a plasticky one, and it comes with some flowery item as well, leaf, a flower piece, and a brown one piece. Wow, pretty cool. No real hand. It's just the wings. I think yeah, fair enough. Pretty cool. Move to the next one. All right, there you go. The parrot costume. I told you like we might need this instruction handy at some point. There you go. Red first, blue second. Oh, sorry, blue first, red second. All right, and this one comes with a bird snack box. How cool is that? What a creative thinking. Yep, again same. No real hands, just the feathery hands. There you go. Aha, the monkey costume. Monkey the Milo. So he got a banana on his hand. Why not? And a rubbery tail as well. Pretty cool, hey? A beautiful piece. Like this one. All right, next up is the koala costume. How OC is this one? This koala has a boomerang on his left hand and some eucalyptus leaves on right hand. So I'm just guessing it's eucalyptus leaves. And yeah, it's very koalish, right? He's wearing a what do you call sleeping mask as well, and I'm pretty sure he's snoring behind the masks. Wow. Aussie, 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 oi, oi, oi. Alright, next up is the lion costume. Very lionish. This guy's roaring behind the masks, and he's having he got a drumstick on his hand. Pretty cool, and the tail piece. Good stuff overall, hey? Actually, I'm starting to love this series. It's very creative and very focused on for kids, I guess. Yeah. All right, next up the frog costume. Look at this one. This guy's wearing a frog costume. I like the eyes on top, and he's trying to blow some bubbles. And here's the bubble bottle, and it says bubbles. Yeah, there's no tail bead, no tails for frogs, I suppose. And look at this one. How cute is this? Alright, next up is the dog costume. Definitely it's a dog costume. You can see the familiar Dalmatian Dalmatian patterns. And he's fetching frisbees, looks like, and he already got plenty of sweat on his face. Looks like the guy behind the costume is very tired. Cool. All right, last but not least, the dolphin costume. These what do you call flaps? Looks like it's it's owned by the penguin, but it's a dolphin costume. Yep, same fin and the tail, and it comes with a clamshell with a pearl. And this guy is wearing sunnies. Why not? Beach too hot. All right, guys, that's it. So we have opened all the minifigures. I got a full set here. Now the second part, we are going to open up the Kmart minifigure display case. I got my trusty scissors. Sorry, I'm just turning back on you guys. Just opening up this one. Front plastic door is protected by a film, so I can peel it off. Alright, fancy that. We got a full minifigure case. There's a button down here. And also, if you guys can see, we can put some batteries in this location and power on, because there are LED strip lights on the top. Alright, first things first, let's put these place these minifigures inside. So I'm not sure how many minifigures gonna fit this one. I'm gonna put these ones on the bottom row because once I open the previous minifigure sets, I'm gonna place them on top. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, up. Not sure how this is gonna work. All right, so these are from the water animals. How do I do that? Berries, pets, fish, bunny and koala, maybe lion and the monkey. All right, let's start with. I'm just gonna put these ones roughly inside to see how it goes. I think you need to place 3 each. I'm not sure even that's possible. All right. So I don't think we can place this base of the minifigure in here. Otherwise, we won't be able to fit. Oh, we will fit 3 anyway. All right, let's try. All right, Peacock, you are in. And then let's get the. You need to be a bit tricky about this one because this set comes with a bit of accessories. We can't put everything next to each other. Alright, there you go, guys. So all 12 fits in the one row, but unfortunately there's another small bit remains. So we can technically fit 12, 13, 14, 15 minifigures in a row, but unfortunately every minifigure series comes with only 12. So I'm not sure what should I put in this column. Maybe I'll put 12, 12, 12, 12, 12 up here, and then another series on this side. I'm not sure. Still haven't decided how to do that. So here's all 12 minifigures on series 28, and I'm not going to do any specific photographies for this video. I need to be very creative with these minifigures. They're really beautiful, and if I just take normal photos, that's gonna be it's not gonna justify the cuteness of these minifigures. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna unbox my other minifigure series as well, 27, 26, 25, 24. There are some cool minifigure series as I can remember. Spider-Verse one is one of my favorites. Yeah. Alright, thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and hit thumbs up as well. I'll see you in another video.